Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how you can disable or remove passcode on your iPhone. In order to do this, you have to go into the settings of your iPhone or iPad. You go down a little bit lower and find the item, Face ID, and passcode. And here we specify the passcode that we have on your device. Now we go lower, and we need the item, Turn Passcode Off. If we press Turn Off, we will remove the passcode and Face ID with it. If you need to make a purchase using Apple Pay, you will need to enter your iCloud password. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated at all. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye-bye. See you later.